to change a number from percent into decimal, all you have to do is take that number and divide it by 100. And when you divide a number by 100, what ends up happening is the decimal moves twice to the left. Think about it. If I have 25% and I divide it by 10, the decimal point would move to the left once. But since I'm dividing by 100, it moves twice to the left, giving me 0.25. If you think about the Dr. Pepper strategy, I write D and P for Dr. Pepper. Now this time, I'm starting with percent numbers and I want them to become decimals. So the arrow goes from percent to decimal, reminding me my decimal point is going to move left 2 spaces. Left 2 spaces. So let's go ahead and do that now with the 3 examples below. 32%. Now I don't even see a decimal point. Of course, you can add 0.0 after any whole number, so there's a decimal right there after the 2. Now I can move it left twice. Divide by 10, 100. Now here it is in front of the 3. Of course, there are no 1s, so we can write 0.32. So 32% is equal to the decimal 0 and 32 hundredths. 4,287%, I also don't see a decimal here, so where is the invisible decimal? At the back. Now how many times do I move it left? Twice. 1, 2. Now the decimal point is between the 2 and the 8. So I've got 42.87. Remember, it's no longer a percent. We made it into a decimal number, so we don't need the percent after the 7. All right, now let's do the last example, 9.5. This time I do see a decimal point, so my pencil has to start there. From right here, I move it left twice. Here I go. 1, 2. Now it's up here. But wait a second. There's no digit here that I moved around. What should be added? If you said 0, you are right. Of course, there are no 1s, so we can write 0.095. So, changing from percent to decimal and decimal to percent is actually really easy. All you have to do is think about Dr. Pepper to help you know which way to move the decimal point. And just remember, you're multiplying and dividing by 100, so the decimal point will always move twice.